The Bugatti Bolide 100-year anniversary edition is more than just a hypercar. It's a time machine that connects us to one of motorsport's greatest legends, the Type 35. And standing here, looking at this one-of-one creation, you can feel a century of racing heritage flowing through its carbon fiber veins. Let's talk about that stunning Grand Prix Blue finish. This isn't just any blue, it's a modern take on the iconic Bleu de Lyon that made the Type 35 instantly recognizable back in 1924. But Bugatti didn't stop there. Look closely at the rear wing's blade, and you'll spot a clever tribute to early Grand Prix racing nations: French racing blue, British racing green, German white, and Italian rosso, all woven into the carbon fiber. Inside the cockpit, and you're greeted by a masterclass in detail. Pure carbon dominates the center console, featuring an aluminum milled inlay with an engine turn finish that would look equally at home in a modern race car or a vintage Bugatti. The leather work is exquisite, with subtle 100 anniversaire signatures in the headrests. My favorite touch? The beautifully crafted track plate showing both the Type 35 and Bolide side by side, a perfect visualization of how far we've come. This isn't just about paying respect to the Type 35's incredible 2,500 race victories. The Bolide is built to create its own legacy. As a track-only hypercar, it represents Bugatti's purest vision of performance, unconstrained by road car regulations, yet carrying the weight of history on its shoulders. What makes this anniversary edition truly special is how it bridges the gap between past and future. Every detail, from the paintwork to the smallest interior touches, tells a story of evolution while staying true to Bugatti's DNA. It's not just a celebration of what came before. It's a bold statement about where Bugatti is heading. And from where I'm standing, the future looks incredibly fast and beautifully blue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.